Now here's a nice question for you. This one says, given the following graph, write the equation of the line in slope point form. Y equals mx plus b. Well, here's the thing that you have here though. Remember, you have two formulas there that are extremely powerful for you. You've got the y equals to mx plus b form, and you also have this y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. I want to know, will these two formulas give you the exact same result? Because take a look at this. You don't need these 2 points. You don't need this point. You don't need this point. Why? Because you have right there the y-intercept. The y-intercept in this case is, in fact, equal to 2. So all you need is a slope. Okay, I'm going to figure out my slope from right here. Look, I'm going to just go right here. Go down 1, down 2. There's down 2 over 1, 2, 3. Down over 3. So my slope here is down 2 over 3. So my formula should look something like this. Y equals 2. There's my slope, minus 2 over 3, x plus 2. That should work. That should be it, right? Okay? Now, here, let's prove something though. I want to do this from this point to this point, and hopefully we'll get the exact same answer. Whew, let's see. Well, first things first, let's find the slope from these 2 points, this point and this point. Okay, let's go. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 8 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, over 12. So down 8 over 12. And you know and I know these are both divisible by 4. So divide that by 4, divide that by 4. You're going to get minus 2 over 3. So far so good. Our slopes check out. Beautiful. Now, let's try the y minus y1 stuff. Okay, here we go. Pick a point. Which one do you want to use? Well, you know what? I'm going to pick this point here. This is minus 6, 6. Minus 6, 6. Let's see if by picking that point, I get the same thing. Okay, here we go. Y minus y1. Here we go. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. We know the slope is minus 2/3. Okay, let's plunk that in there. And there's our x1, y1. Here we go. Y minus 6 equals to the slope minus 2/3, x minus a minus 6. There's that minus thing that we were talking about in the last podcast. Okay, here we go. Y minus 6 equals to minus 2/3, x plus 6, because a minus here makes it a plus. Distribute this. Y minus 6 equals to minus 2/3 x plus 6 times the minus 2/3. Okay, and when we multiply this together, 6 times minus 2 is minus 12 divided by 1 times 3, which is 3, which is minus 4. Okay, here we go, almost there. Y minus 6 equals to minus 2/3 x minus 4. Clean it up by adding 6 to both sides. And lo and behold, look what we get. Y equals to minus 2/3 x plus 2, which is exactly the same formula we had, whoops, right there. Look at that. They both work. So I know what you're saying to yourself right now. This formula here is so much easier than this. Why do we even want to even use this? Well, sometimes we're not going to be given a really nice y-intercept. And in that case, we have to know how to use a formula like this that's going to help us out tremendously.